Hello, my friends. Almost everyone these days wants to look great by being better and getting a slimmer/toned body. To obtain this, many of them search the World Wide Web to find out how to shed body weight quickly and keep it off. Everyone has opinions about who they would like to be, and many people have opinions regarding their body photo, and particularly about attaining/maintaining a particular body weight. If you have opinions like these, then it's clear and understandable that you want to be better by decreasing body weight. Nowadays everyone wants to lose body weight quickly. It's easy to understand that with all the magic pills out there, individuals usually think that they can drop lots of body weight per week or so. Even though that's not difficult at all, most individuals fall short because promoters make them believe in incorrect miracles that are neither realistic nor healthy. So don't go for the instantaneous miracle, aim for a much better and self-sufficiently way of losing body fat quickly. The next tips will help you to arrive at your objective of reducing body weight in a short matter of time. Please check our link below for more information on how to lose weight quickly.